Hi everyone, I am hosting an open house here in the Meadows, and here we are in the front 2075 treetop. This is a really beautiful home. It backs to open space, which is really unusual here in the Meadows, and it is also a charter school. Aspen View Academy is a very top-ranked charter school, and it goes from preschool to 8th grade. Alyssa is my agent in training, and she is helping me today. So we'll probably see her in a minute or two. We have these beautiful engineered nice shower. Alright, this is our coat closet. Huge dining room. I love that light fixture, it's so pretty. Beautiful railings on the staircases. That navy accent wall, I love that too. And we have the built-in speakers in the ceiling. In fact, we're going to demonstrate a little bit in a minute here. Alexa, this is a tech-enabled Alexa. They use Alexa to control the tech-enabled in this house. You can see some of our goodies we have for you all today. I stand here. You can see the backyard has turf. It's quite nice. You never have to mow it. You don't have to water it. Great for kids and dogs. We have it at our house and absolutely love it. And this is one of my, actually I have a lot of favorite places in this home, but this is one of them. So they have this protective coating over their concrete out here. The pretty little bistro lights. Got a place for your grill, tons of room to entertain. As you can see, we have this one seating area here. There's another one there. There's the third one. And we even have room for a fourth one if you really wanted to. Nice big side yard, window well covers for safety. This is an area of the Meadows that has the privacy fences on the sides. Because it does back to the open space, that part is a split rail, but as you can tell, it's already set up for your furry friends. And that right down there is Aspen View Academy. So when I said it was a couple blocks away, you just pop over this fence here, and I think there's even a gate there. Yep, there's a gate there. And you can just go right over there, and there's a walking path if you can see that. Super cute little farmhouse style. It's very well maintained, but it's also pretty new. It's 5 years old. Here's Alyssa. We're putting her to work. Yep, I got a gas stove here. This pantry has some really nice organizers in it. And look, they're even labeled canned tomato and fish. Look at that. All right, we're back to the dining room. It's a pretty fireplace. It's what everyone's looking for these days. They want a kitchen that's open to the great room, that's open to the outside, where you have this true indoor-outdoor feel. I love the way they put the extra little windows on top of those cabinets to give some extra light. Got tile floor here, transitions to more of that pretty wood floor. This is the craft room, but this is the actual study of this house. They're just choosing not to use it that way. So there's no closet in this room. This great laundry room. This is my kind of stuff. And this is the half bath for the house here. This is one of our little COVID-friendly things. We have to have people enter and exit different doors. Gigantic garage. Nice lofts built in up there for extra storage. They've obviously got a lot of toys. We've got snowboards and golf clubs and all kinds of stuff, and they're still able to fit their cars in here, so. I love these little drop and go stations. I would set up all of my cell phone chargers and tablets and things like that here, and then when you come in, you can just drop all your stuff and head on to the rest of the home. All right, we're gonna go up the stairs now. We have more indoor speakers, and I forgot to turn on Alexa for y'all, but I will. The speakers are all connected, so you can actually turn them on in the whole house. Here's a particular dial for adjusting that speaker. Got some blackout shades. Someone here likes their sleep. Nice big walk-in closet. Oh, that is so cute. Whoever's that is, super cute. Got a Jill and Jill, not a Jack and Jill in this house. Pretty shower. Another really nice closet. This is the actual door into it. And I was gonna say they must have a fish tank because you can probably hear that buzzing. And there it is. Let's go see. Hello, little beta. How cute is that? They're like sleeping cats. That is my favorite kind of cat. The ones that are stuffed or the ones that are... I'm allergic to cats, so the dander gets me sometimes. We've only had a couple of houses with pretty bad cat dander. In general, I'm pretty lucky. Got our nice Nest thermostats, so you can control your temperatures when you are away from home. And here is our, oh, and that's a little sneak peek, wait up. This is the Oasis. The room to come home to at the end of the day and relax. Look at that pretty coffered ceiling. But wait, there's more. This actually has a bonus room attached to it. When you just need a break from whoever lives with you. We won't solely blame it on our kids, right? Wow, someone cleaned their closet for us today. I'm sure it looks like this every day. Mine does not. Wow, he even cleaned his closet for us today. Nice big closets, guys. And girls. Can I just sit and exhale? Doesn't that just look really, really relaxing? I could see some candles over here, maybe some bathrobes hanging on the wall. Look at that. It even has the spa-style wooden bench in there. Frosted glass on that one, so no one's peeking at you. Hi, everyone. His and hers vanities. This one even has a window, and it's a tall one. It's one of my husband's biggest complaints is we have a long window in the bathroom. It's not as private as you'd think it would be. All right, well, we've got one more floor to go check out. Oh, I should mention, look at these light switches. Do you see a difference? This is a test. Are you smarter than a tech-enabled smart home? These ones here are just our regular light switches, and these ones here are the Wi-Fi enabled ones. So you can program these to turn on and off via an app on your phone. Pretty cool, huh? There's our furnace. I mentioned before this house is just 5 years old. They're prepared. They've got their fire extinguisher in there just in case. There's even, that's the other cool thing with a tech-enabled home. This here is a sensor in case water gets in there. An alarm will go off. And it does have 2 air conditioners. Nice, great big linen closet. All right, almost done here. I promise, you know, I specialize in these gigantic houses, so you won't be surprised. So the basement is unfinished. Cute. But they have it so meticulously laid out that there is something for everyone. So right now they have these great big mats that they're removable, but this is where they have chosen to set up their gym. Got their Peloton there. All the yoga mats and weights and things that you could want. They have this over here set up for their storage. This is your main water line. Here in Castle Rock, all of ours have been, oh, and we've got a sump pit also. Our water meters in Castle Rock have been changed out with wireless ones. So they just drive past the house once a month, and that's how they figure out your water bill. Oh, wait, we're in the gym. We're still in the gym. They have, obviously, someone that likes gymnastics. This is plumbing to put in a bathroom. The walls down here are insulated. This is an in-ground basement. This clearly is our doll play corner. There's a great big rug. Again, all these rugs here are removable. And you can see the heat source that they have there set up. The vents coming from the ceiling. Got another thermostat. I'm sorry, that's actually a humidistat. This is the furnace with an air conditioner on it. We've got a healthy home system on this one. Those ones go to the second floor furnace, it says. Here's our golf simulation room. All of this is excluded, but these are things that you could do with these areas. Awesome. Got the projector on the wall. And now we are entering in some additional storage here. Got our network set up. Oh yeah, it's a radon mitigation system. It's already in place. More storage, more golf. And there you go. That's the whole house. So what do you think? Could this be your next dream home? Have you ever considered living in a master planned community? So if you know of anyone that might be interested in this home, upstairs again we have the master, and then we have 3 other bedrooms up. There is a main floor bedroom, and then there's a main floor study as well. So it is a 5-bedroom home plus a study. And backing into open space here in the Meadows, and we are priced in the 700s. Click on the link here. I'll share it again. Click on this link for additional information. It also has floor plans on there. It has a virtual walkthrough, lots of additional information. In fact, all the information on the Alexa tech-enabled system, the thermostats, the lighting, the music, and all of that is available for you there. If you are in the neighborhood, or even if you're not, but this house is of interest to you, please reach out to us. And if you can get here before 2, we'd love to see you. If not, yeah, just hit us up below. Let us know you want to take your own private tour of it. Really great home in a really great community. And the fact that it's just 5 years old means you won't have to worry, or you shouldn't have to worry about the furnace or water heaters or any of those things going out anytime soon. All of my listings also have the roof has been pre-inspected for you. So we have all those details available. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope that you are having a very happy and safe Halloween. And we will be back again next week. We're going to do our regularly scheduled open houses next Saturday. So we have one in Keene Ranch on Stevens Court, 2205 Stevens Court, and then we have 2 in Larkspur, that big house, 11509, and the other one, 11511. The seller really wants to get those sold. She did a big price reduction on those. The 2 homes on 1 lot is how we're going to be selling them now. We're not going to try and sell them individually. This is a great opportunity for you to have a project house and to still have something that your wife won't complain about for you to live in while you're fixing up your project home. Thank you again for watching. Feel free to share this video. We'd love it if you'd subscribe or like it, or whatever it is on whichever medium you're watching it. Give us a big thumbs up. Let us know that we're doing a great job. And certainly if you are considering selling your home in the spring, please talk to me. We are starting our spring lineup and laying that out for everyone with the path to success for selling in the spring. So hit us up for that too. Thank you for watching. Hi everyone. Hi Mom. Make it a great day.